Hey, what's up and welcome. It's Matthew here, the designer and developer. This is a series of videos that I'm doing trying to explain ShadCN. I've seen a lot of material and a lot of videos on the internet which I've also tried, but they took me to the wrong direction. They preached to ShadCN as a very beautiful copy and paste easy component library, whereas ShadCN is not about that. It's about you building your own library. So in this video series, that's what I'm going to teach you. But in this video, I want us to start from scratch and starting from creating a Next.js application. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. I've got a 10-hour coaching course. If you might be interested, just click here for a free discovery call. We will talk about your career and see what you don't understand and try up to come with solution. I will create a course that is tailor-made for you. So I'm solving your problem. So I view this as an individual problem rather than a collection. Hence, I don't create a 20-hour video that doesn't really help you. Without wasting time, let's just jump straight into it. So I already got a folder here, which is ShadCN course. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm using Windows. I'm going to open this on Visual Studio Code. Okay, and then from then, as you can see, this is my folder. Okay, just a brief about the prerequisite. I am expecting you to have already installed Node.js. Node.js, it's a piece of software that enables you um, to run JavaScript, but obviously not on a browser like Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. But it helps you to run JavaScript on a server. And then I would also expect that you've got Visual Studio Code. Okay, if you've got those, then we are good to go. We are in this folder. We just have to click on this new terminal. Okay, when you click on this new terminal, this will tell you where you are in. This is very important. Okay, it will tell you where I am. Maybe as I'm installing, you will see why it's very important. The first challenge that we have, the folder that we are in, it has got capital letters. As you can see, N and C are capital letters. Next.js won't allow us to install the Next.js app using this name. So that means we will have to come up to the new name that has got small letters. Okay, so let's create the Next.js app. npx create dash next dash app. You don't have to memorize this command. You can go to Next.js documentation. You can copy and paste from there. Okay, if our folder didn't contain some capital letters, we were going to click dot here. Then Next.js was going to create an application with this name. But as you can see, we've got a mix of uppercase and lower cases, of which that's not going to work. So let's end it here. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video when everything that has started, just to cut down that part where we are just looking at this doing its own thing. Okay, so the name of our app, let's give it a ShadCN course. Okay, ShadCN, is this the right spelling for course? Okay, ShadCN course. Okay, meaning that this one is the wrong spelling. Okay, so ShadCN course, and then from then let's click enter. Invalid project name cannot contain leading and trailing spaces. Maybe I've got spaces there. Okay, let's try again. Okay, delete ShadCN course. Okay, remove the spaces. Boom. Okay, do you want to use TypeScript? Yes. ESLint? Yes. Tailwind CSS? Yes. Directory? No. App router? Yes. Okay, what else? Import alias? Let's not say no. Okay, as you can see, we have created our new Next.js application. Obviously, this will take some time just to finish this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pause the video so that I cannot make the video longer unnecessarily. Okay, so I will come back when this is done. Okay, guys, I'm back. As you can see, everything has been done by Next.js. This is our new folder, ShadCN course, and this is the folder structure, and that's about it. So, continuing in the next video, we are going to go through ShadCN documentation. We are going to take all these components and implement them so that I can show you in detail how do you implement them. In case there are some tweaks, there are some certain codes that you need to manipulate, we are going to do that. I'm not just going to follow this copy and paste, but I'm going to give you some advice as to what do you do in this situation and what do you do in this situation so that you can implement ShadCN just like this and just like this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.